Say good morning, Eddie.
Good morning, sunshine. mighty fine weather we're having today.
It's a beautiful Sunday, but it's hot. See ya.
I'm gonna get some of this limb right here.
All right, just a second. Come here. Here. Yeah, video while we do this limb out. It's videoing now.
That's just, yeah, I need to get a good wrap on that. Yeah. All right. That's why I picked it out. Because it hit that pine tree over there. Woo! Not for that.